is Ale Gambini, Queen in the Kitchen, and today I'm at the Tutta Pizza Festival as a part of the LA football. Here at the Tutta Pizza Fest with the organizer of this amazing event, Mimo Bruno, owner of the Stefano Cheese.
Buongiorno, how are you?
Well, we already are in love with the whole thing, so tell me a little about this festival.
Well, we're happy to supply as the Stefano Cheese, give the mozzarella to all the best pizzas of Los Angeles. They're all here today and they're all using our cheese. It makes us really happy.
Right, and
Happy
we are
pizza.
happy too. Happy pizza.
And happy Mother's Day. Ciao a tutti dal maestro Vittorio Copelli, migliore!
Now we are here with Raffaele Square, which is one of the team of Fudiamo.
Actually, I'm very curious about some of these places which I've only seen on Instagram, and now I want to see if their pizza tastes as good as ours.
Ok, ciao
Bye,
Raffaele,
guys.
ci Fudiamo.
Let's go eat some.
Viva la pizza! Siamo insieme attraverso il cibo, perché il cibo è unione, il cibo è contaminazione, il cibo è comunità. Le 3 C.
Bravo, mi fai quasi piangere.
Mi chiamo Enzo Coccia,
Enzo Coccia,
vengo da Napoli,
from Naples,
mio figlio Andrea
my son Andrea,
e il mio collaboratore Roberto Lanzillo.
and my co-worker Roberto Lanzino.
Il cibo è anche non solo gustativo, è anche conoscenza e cultura,
Because food is not just a matter of taste, it's a matter of culture and knowledge.
è trasmissione di sapere e tradizioni, di storie ed evoluzione.
Passing knowledge, passing history and tradition.
Allora, oggi parleremo di pizza fritta.
Today we'll talk about deep fried pizza.
See you next time, and a huge thanks to the sponsor of this great event, the Stefano Cheese. Bye!